What is probable cause for a drug DUI? Have you ever wondered what it takes for a police officer to pull someone over for a drug-related driving under the influence charge? The concept of probable cause is key here. Probable cause for a drug driving under the influence means that an officer has a reasonable belief that a driver is impaired by drugs while operating a vehicle. This belief must be based on specific and observable facts, not just a hunch. The process usually starts with a lawful traffic stop. This means the officer must have a valid reason to stop the vehicle. Common reasons include traffic violations like swerving, speeding, or running a red light. These actions can establish the initial probable cause for the stop. Once the vehicle is stopped, the officer looks for further evidence to support the belief that the driver is impaired by drugs. This evidence can include physical signs such as bloodshot or glassy eyes, dilated pupils, slurred speech, or the smell of drugs. Erratic behavior can also raise suspicion. If the driver fails field sobriety tests or preliminary drug screening tests, this can strengthen the case for probable cause. Interestingly, even legal prescription drugs can contribute to probable cause if they impair driving. Officers are trained to recognize signs of impairment from both illegal and legal substances. From a criminal defense standpoint, challenging the existence of probable cause is vital. If a defense attorney can show that the officer did not have reasonable grounds to stop the vehicle or arrest the driver, any evidence collected during that stop may be excluded from court. This can lead to the dismissal of charges. In essence, probable cause for a drug driving under the influence charge requires that the officer point to specific facts indicating that the driver is under the influence of drugs. It all starts with a lawful stop based on observed driving violations, followed by observable signs of impairment or test results that support the suspicion. Without such probable cause, evidence gathered may not hold up in court.